So you're ready to film your first video, but before we press record, let's make sure that we have everything all sorted, starting from the beginning. Now, if this is not your first video, let me know in the comment section how many videos you have done so far for YouTube and uploaded. I'm dividing this video into 5 parts, which are planning, equipment, production, editing, and presentation. Number 1, planning. Taking some time out to plan exactly what you're going to film will help you cut down on a lot of mistakes that would happen while you're filming, and this will eventually save you a lot of time. You can decide to write out your full script or just simply make bullet points or just short notes to help you remember what you want to talk about. The important thing is to collect your thoughts together so you don't run out of things to talk about while you are filming. Even if you are doing vlog style videos, take some time to plan exactly what you want to vlog. Now you need to pick a location. What's going to be behind you? What are your viewers going to see when they are watching your video? It can be as simple as standing in front of a blank wall or having a whole YouTube setup. Whatever it is, make sure that you have thought about these things just in case you need to set up a few things. Next, to get rid of every clutter. Now, you don't want people to see your mess, so make sure that your shot is as clean as possible, the background that you're seeing is as organized as possible. Whatever viewers see in your video should either be functional, aesthetic, or you simply can't get rid of. Number 2 is the equipment. Of course, we need a camera. It can be as complex as a DSLR or as simple as your phone camera. Don't think too much about it, really. Work with what you have. Quick question, what do you have currently that you can record with? Let me know in the comment section. I'd like to know this as well. I've been recording with my phone since the beginning of this channel and I still do that. Okay, now we need a stand for our camera, be it a tripod or even a simple stack of books. Whatever it is, we just need something to mount our camera for some level of stability. When setting up your camera, try to make sure that this camera is not below your eye level. It has to be at your eye level or above your eye level. Next is your audio. If you can invest in an external mic, that would be great. However, if you can't do that, the inbuilt mic for your device would work just fine. One trick I use is to drop soft materials all around the place. Now, this helps to soften the sound that bounces back off the hard surfaces. If you can do this, that would be great. Just throw things around, your blanket, your bed sheets, even your clothes. Now, if you're not subscribed yet, this is a good time to do so. Next thing is lighting. Be sure to have some sort of light, be it a ring light or a softbox or even natural daylight from your window. That would be fantastic. The important thing is to make sure that you have enough light reflected in your face such that the viewers can see you properly. On to production. Now, once your setup is done, you want to go freshen up, put on some makeup if you want to, and all. I personally like to set up first before doing my makeup, then come to record, because I want to be fresh once I'm talking and not stressed from all the setup. Now that you're looking nice, just sit in front of the camera and do your thing. Remember to always look into the lens of the camera so that your viewers feel like you're looking at them, not away from them. I also advise that you do some tests so that if there's any need for any adjustments, you can do that before you click on the final record. After you have shot your videos with all the mistakes, cut out every unnecessary information or repetition and just get it down to the core of the video. Add some text if you want to, some transitions, sound effects, music, and relevant B-rolls. Now, B-rolls are videos playing over your main video. So now that I'm talking, this is the A-roll. Now, when I'm talking to you and I'm explaining something and I have a video playing over my voice, that is a B-roll. It's simply a way to create emphasis, but make sure that it is relevant to what is being said in the A-roll. Now, presentation. Before you upload that video, it is important that you make a compelling thumbnail to present your video. Think about your video like a movie and your thumbnail is a movie poster. So you have to make that poster pop so that our click-through rates can go up. In case you're wondering how to make these thumbnails, I've got you covered. Now go over to this video to see how, and you can do this even with your phone without any design skill. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.